Today I've chosen two crystals which are very beneficial for the month of August and in fact in totality as well. One is peridot and one is sunstone. Peridot has got a lot of properties. It is a beautiful green color of crystal which is known for its healing as well as prosperity. And sunstone is for the gem of joy and vitality. When we talk about peridot, it is a vibrant green gem that opens the heart chakra and also invites abundance. When I talk about sunstone, it is a glowing gem that ignites the happiness, the confidence, and the personal power. One by one, we'll talk about the properties, qualities. Now, if I talk about peridot, as I said, it is beautiful gem which is radiating positivity and also attract abundance. It has got infinite possibilities and it is a heart healer. It opens the heart chakra, it releases the jealousy, resentment which is inside us and help us to release our stress. It attracts abundance and brings luck, prosperity as well as new opportunities to our system. Emotional balance is again a very important property of peridot, which help us calming our emotions and helping in letting go of any kind of negativity which is in our mind. And yes, protection. It protects us from any kind of envious and bad influences which is there in our surrounding. Now, to boost the confidence also, to encourage the growth, it is resembling the color of the plants which resemble growth. So it also gives us perseverance and the inner strength. So order your peridot today. Now the next gemstone is the sunstone, which is the gem of joy and vitality. It brings joy and positivity. It is that of a color of sun, and we all know that Lionsgate portal is also there. So it brings and dispels the fear which is inside us, and it brings us optimism. It boosts our confidence, and it is for the sacral chakra. Whenever you want to enhance your self worth and bring courage and personal power to your total personality, it is very energetic and increases the vitality also, increases the stamina, and also is best for life. So if you are demotivated in your life, please use sunstone. If I talk about encouraging the creativity inside you, we all know that we need to enhance the creativity inside us. It can be in any form in terms of painting, singing, in expressing our emotions in different forms. So creative expressions are also encouraged through sunstone. And last but not the least, it gives us the manifestation success, which help in achieving our goals and also in bringing good luck. So with all these immense benefit, we can see that sunstone can be the very vital part of all our lives. We wear peridot for healing and we wear sunstone for happiness. We are both of them in a light of abundance. So कुछ बातों का मतलब कुछ बातों का मतलब क्या मतलब अनकही. सो इन अनकही बातों के लिए पेरिडोट और सनस्टोन आज ही क्रिस्टल वर्ल्ड से आप ऑर्डर. Hi and a very good afternoon to all of you. Today at Orium Gems, I'm going to talk about the poetic and nature inspired by the crystals, the mystical and enchanting, fun and glow that we can have with crystals, the whimsical, elegant, and reflective nature of these crystals, which are going to make your life more spiritual and more serene. What are crystals and how they are going to help you in your life? I'll talk about them. They are often seen to be something which is gleaming with nature's grace, and they are frozen light in time and space. If I talk about the whispered secrets in their glow, the ancient truth that they softly show. Now, if the crystals are dancing in the sun or in the moon, you can always believe that there is a sparkling bright light which is coming with a joy soon. If I talk about it every shot, the world is so small and we all dream. The all dream which is within us all. So let us hold one crystal in our hand to calm the soul and to make this healing light to make us whole. In these quiet stones, in this quiet and ancient stone, the magic lies. These are within the earth and often they are open to the skies. Each crystal holds a pulse. It holds some light and also the healing spark, which is going to be both soft and bright. Wow! from the amethyst, which is going to increase your intuition, or to quartz, which is so clear. They will guide us, close us, which we are going to be more us to the near. Now, if I'm going to balance this energy and ease the pain, clearing the heart, the soul, and the brain. So, the crystals are very important. They're going to clear your heart, your soul, and the brain. Hold them. Hold them close, close to your heart. Hold them close, close, and let you rest. Let you rest near your chest. In some sacred space, create an altar. Create an altar, no need to feel the rush. No need to feel the rush, just breathe and feel. Just breathe and feel and let the crystal work with love to heal. With love to heal. So step into their sacred art. So let us step into their sacred art and help me together to let this journey gently start.